Hello viewers, is your Meta business suite not opening, loading slowly, or not synchronize your posts? In this video, I will show you 5 easy ways to fix Meta business suite issues in 2025. Let's get started. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Meta often updates their dashboard and old cache file can cause loading errors. On Chrome, go to Setting, Privacy, clear browser data, select cache and cookies, and then clear. If it still doesn't load, try using a different browser. Meta Business Suite work best with Chrome or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. The third fix is if you are using the mobile app, go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure your app is updated. Outdated version often crash or fail to synchronize. The fourth fix is if your posts are not publishing or scheduling is not working. Your pages may be disconnected. Go to Setting, Business Assets, and reconnect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. The fifth fix is sometimes the issue is from Meta itself. Visit metastatus.com to check if their servers are down. If yes, wait and try again later. Thanks for watching.